Today I've got a 2016 Ford Focus ST. Fun little cars here. Did a completion of a projector retrofit on this thing. The dude was local and started doing the build himself. Kind of realized he was a little in over his head, showed up on a Sunday and is like, oh my god, can you help me? Guess what? I got you. So, this is a Morimoto MH1 projector assembly in here. Full Morimoto 35 watt HID kit. The black, I think that's the Gatling shroud. Basic retrofit. That is all his equipment, his selection, but it looks really cool in here. What we ended up adding was the Diode Dynamics RGBW Demonized, the Pro Series. It also has the Diode Dynamics RGB fog light bulbs down chilling in the fog lights, and I will demonstrate those to you right now. I've just got them on color cycle, the 7-color jump, but as you can see, they are silly bright and look really good. Same deal. I have them all wired up to the same controller, and that's pretty much it. Really simple build. I guess the only thing worth noting is that this vehicle requires the Mopar wiring harness so that you don't get any error codes, as well as the Ford system does not automatically cut power to the headlight circuit when the engine is running. That's pretty much it. That's all. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day. Let me know if you want some sweet custom headlights, yo, because that's what I do.